If you have just enough lace, you can focus on the part of the gown on which our lace can make the gown more attractive and look stunning. This time we will just focus on the waistline part, like a belt, because that is the only part we can balance the side that can accommodate our lace availability. Before pinning, separate the two opposite sides of the lace for the easiest way also to arrange it. Left and right side of the gown. We will use the single flower as a lock. Then the two opposite sides is the pear cut design of the lace. Pin it to fix where to sew it. The left and right should be the same as if they mirror each other. Place it same to the back side. This lace that I put in has beads already. You don't need a lot of effort already. Just need to attach it with hand sewing, because if you attached it with machine stitch, might break your needle because of the bead. After the front, flat also the lace to the back side. And same with the front, pin them all. Before sewing to achieve the balance arrangements each side. A symmetrical arrangement. Those vines and leaves are in an outward position. Sure to pin it to stabilize the lace position. Once you are done pinning, time to do the hand sewing. By doing the hand sewing, it must be on each side. And not just running stitches. Include a lock stitch for stabilizing the attachment of the lace. This gown that has a lot of lace had also a lot to do. But as you can see, it had the same lace with the waistline lace applique. It needs a lot of filling the lace. Doing this had a pattern mirroring also, a symmetrical way. Even though it has a lot of work, it looks stunning when it's done. Doing this also is one technique to cover the belly fats, not to look obvious even though the gown is fit. Are you looking forward to learning more content like this? Let me know with your comment to inspire me doing more like this video, and I do appreciate when you click the like and share this content to help more people learn like this stuff. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.